Dear friends, welcome to Rama's Cooking World. So today let's see how to make spring roll sheets. To begin with, let's add 2 cups of all-purpose flour into a bowl. Season it with some salt. Give it a quick mix. Now start kneading the dough. Add some water gradually and knead. Add water in between as required. Knead it to a stiff dough. It's getting done. Add 1/4 cup of oil and knead until it is combined. It's done. Now let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, as you can see, our dough has become more softer and stretchy. This is due to the formation of gluten from the flour. Take medium-sized balls out of it. Dust some flour and roll it into sheets of medium thickness. Now it's time to assemble. Place a sheet and apply some oil all over it. Dust some flour above it to make it non-sticky. Now place a sheet above it and repeat the same process. You can use 4 to 6 sheets at a time. Dust some flour again on top. Roll it into thin sheet. for making it more convenient to use and cutting it into a round shape. And this is completely optional. Now it's time to cook it on a pan. When its one side is done, flip it. As you can see as an indication, there are some golden brown spots. It's done. Let's transfer it to another plate. Now detach the sheets one by one carefully. You can see how thin and transparent the sheets are. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.